Under construction materials, this is the Astral 0.75 horsepower submersible pump, built for Nigerian conditions, in stock and ready to ship, with free delivery right here in Uyo. When you're boring deep, you need a pump that lasts. The Astral 0.75 HP features 100% copper coil winding, 304 stainless steel body, and sand-crushing impellers. 0.75 horsepower, 220-volt single phase. Reaches 60 to 80 meters deep, 1-inch outlet. Here's why it outperforms the rest. Copper coil, resists heat buildup and extends motor life. Stainless steel, zero rust, even in mineral-heavy borehole water. Sand-crushing impellers, handles sandy conditions like a pro. And built-in overload protection, safe with generators and inverters. Whether you're building homes, running commercial sites, or managing industrial farms and irrigation, this pump is built for every scale of construction. Bulk discounts available for contractors. Free delivery in Uyo. 1 to 3 day mobilization. Visit underconstructionmaterials.com and order now. Building a reliable water supply? Start with the right foundation. Introducing the Astral 0.75 HP Submersible Water Pump. Engineered with 100% copper coil winding for maximum durability and energy efficiency. Built with 304 grade stainless steel. Sand-crushing impellers handle Nigeria's toughest borehole conditions. And with built-in overload protection, it's ready for any power challenge. Free delivery within Uyo and prompt delivery across Nigeria. From foundation to finish, we deliver. Order now at underconstructionmaterials.com. Build with confidence.